5, 4, 3. Go, 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 go! Yeah.
Here comes 1.
Alright guys, this is Baby Chick's first time of the season going down the slide. She did it once last year, but then was terrified and never did it again. Alright, there's Elle. That's how it's done. Alright, you ready, kiddo?
Here we go.
1, 2,
Look over this way.
3,
Smile.
go! Yeah! You did it!
Yay! Good job.
Nice work, kiddo.
Yeah.
High five. Hey, give me a high five. Nice work, love. Nice work. Hey, why aren't you gonna go? Tell the camera why you don't want to go. You're being filmed. It's too late. It's happening. She promised me she was gonna do it. When I got here, first thing she said is, "Guess what? I'm going on the slide." And now what's she doing? Not going on the slide. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Not that way. You're by the motor.
Okay, we are at the lake. It's probably super windy, and we are water balloon launching. Uncle Al's booty, or Papa Al's booty.
3, 2.
You want to help him, and I'll hold
3,
this.
2, 1. Yes! Go up in your face. Oh my gosh.
So we got a water balloon launcher, and we thought that it would be fun to try and launch our water balloons over to those hula hoops. I don't know if you guys can see them all the way over there. There's like a really big one, a medium one, and a small one. And that racks up the points, is what we were gonna try and do. The kids are so excited, I don't know if that's gonna work. And then we're gonna try and hit James on the dirt bike. We'll see if that works.
Mommy, can I be the last one?
Sure, you can be the last one.
There you go. Perfect.
Right in the middle.
I don't think it's
I'll
gonna
be
work.
after.
I think she's gonna get in the face.
Ready? Okay,
Jake.
you pull
Pull
back as
back.
far as you can.
Pull back.
I
As far as you
can't
can.
do
Pull back as far as you can and release. Oh,
Ah,
it's there. And you
But I
wind up.
can't do that.
it's not working well.
Further, but further.
As far as you can.
Oh, you gotta go lower. You gotta go all the way down your knees.
Yeah.
Go on your knees.
She's like, this is not my dominant hand.
I know.
Okay, go on your knees.
She's gonna have a little
Oh,
help.
perfect. Okay. Ready?
You got a stick in there, so I think it's gonna still.
Okay.
3. Oh!
Alright, since the launcher pretty much failed, so we have it spread out Hunger Games style, where they're spreading all around, and they're gonna race to the middle and fight to the death. Alright, Papa Al, count it down.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3.
go.
Go, 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 go! And fight, fight, fight! Fight! Don't grab one and run, run! Oh, in the face! Okay, last balloon, pick one more balloon. Sorry, the kids got to do their fight. Now Ashley is gonna get to take some revenge on me. This is what she's been waiting to do for a long time.
James is gonna get on the dirt bike and I'm gonna try and hit him. Actually, I think Auntie Kara should get to do this too, because James threw Auntie Kara into the water. So, since he threw her, Since he threw her into the water, I think both of us should get to attack him.
I think what worked best for us is holding it on the sides here, so that way you keep it spread out. Yeah, because when the handle just pinched and then popped. So that's, I think that's how it worked best.
Okay, here goes Aunt Kara.
Look out, you don't want to stay in front there, Ava.
Ava, Ava, go!
Yeah!
Woo! Look at that! Into the water, yeah, Kara!
Yep. All right, let's do this. Yeah.
Here comes the man of the hour. Kara's ready. Armed and ready. Kara's got skill, yo.
I'll hold still for you. Better not.
Right at him. Right at him.
Great shot! Peer pressure! Come on, Kara! You gotta get closer!
Okay guys, so for our last attempt to get the kids to actually be able to hit somebody or a target, we're just gonna let them grab the water balloons, run up as close as they want, and try and get me. But I'm still gonna be on the bike, so I'm still gonna be faster than them, and they can't get too close or they might get hurt. So I guess we'll see how this free-for-all goes.
Go!
Wait till he gets close. I'll tell you when. Wait till I'm dead. Wait. I gotta lead him. Good one! Yes! Nice finale!
That was not supposed to happen.
You kind of missed me.
That drool. Look at that drool. Hi, love. You just getting passed around?
I mean,
Alright guys, I think that does it for our water balloons. And it was pretty good up until, I don't know if Ashley got it, but Uncle Kevin got a cheap shot in there at the end. He says it was an accident, but I'm glad it was, let's just say I'm glad that was the last balloon and I could turn off the engine at that point because that was not the right spot to hit someone. Riding one-handed is way more difficult than it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive. Life is an adventure, so get out there and make some memories.